Viewers all over the world, I welcome you all in today's section of Philosophy and Life. We have with us an ordinary evangelist. Sir, you're highly welcome.
Well done.
Please introduce yourself.
Yes, my name's Eze-Ana abụ m onye isi nchụaja n'Ugochi na temple. Anyị na-agba afa miri emi bụkwazi ọrụ mmụọ dị iche iche. Abụkwazi m onye isi nchụaja na ọdịnala Restoration Evangelical Mission, bụrụ onye mgbasa ozi ọdịnala Igbo. So you can call me a priest or an evangelist, I will answer. My mission is to help people live better life. Thank you.
You're highly welcome once again. Before we proceed with today's questions, is there anything else you wish to say to our viewers?
Viewers all over the world, as you keep joining us, keep sharing our administration and messages all over the world. Kine menka kachugo ke primi heri negotiate. Echefukwana nọmba ị ga-eji wee nweta anyị ma onwe ajụjụ ọbụla ịghọtara ọdị ihe anyị kwuwa taa. Daalụ.
Why do men tend to die earlier than women in marriage?
Thank you for that wonderful question. There are so many things that I contribute towards that. One, most men, at least some men, normally marry women that are far older than. That's one contributed to it. If to die has to do with age and first come first serve. So that is one. Two, men normally do more riskier job. Yes, you can see some men, working in housekeeper, doing risky jobs, working in oil field, then oil rig in the ocean. Then they are more in the military, taking risky jobs, security outfits. They are always there in the battlefield. The infantry have more of men. Some risky jobs, doing bricklayer, doing a healthy work, go to where they are loading things. You see men doing so many things. And some of those work are very risky. Sometimes the risky of that job will take their life. I know one of my kinsmen, he used to work with NEPA. Then one of those people that normally climb pole and whatever, and there was something had led to something. He was electrocuted and he fell from the pole and eventually he passed on. So because of risky this thing, it contributes more. Again, another thing is that men face so many things like the family burden, the pressure. Some men normally have passed on because what have to do with high BP because of family pressure. Most women, especially when you got the wrong person, he will not even appreciate you that you are trying. He always telling you need to pay this bill, you need to pay this bill, and some of them have the mindset that they are a woman for the fact that they are woman have uriak. So all those things, many pressure to men. So and men is to be the shelter to cover the family. It's not easy. You always be on the forefront. Even as you see pictures on the remember. So many things they lead to working and sometimes men because of the family pressure, can even beg can family immediate family can dog. Yet for the no thank you no very much from the woman they call your wife. And sometimes some men they one time most men are na-ekwesịrị anọkọta etu a anọkọta sisi ekpari amụ to resuscitate their life and nerves. But so many things ihe na-eme so ụfọdụ nwoke adị choked up and again before I round up so many men men do cry but because of trying to show that I'm a man so sometimes most men if they are passing pain they will be crying inside heart and that one is even worse pass. So most men, I do encourage men that sometimes if they cry out, but sometimes don't like to cry out because of people we see them as less man. So they will be dying in silence and everything. So all those things and the most important thing is that in the family setting where we have now, it favors women more. So most men, even if you watch a kid here or kaki, at the end of the day, I can tell you the woman you married will still benefit more from the children. So all those things contribute and so don't work in a reality. What do you say? At the end of the day, to let go and have other things that do distract him a little bit for a while. Nobody could take it to the heart and don't want to lead it. to maybe high BP or any other complicated. And because at old age, sometimes if you are not lucky to have a good woman, you will not even see a woman that will take care of you at old age. And by that time, you could say that no, as your son and rest of them, you will not even see genuine ones. And some of those things can lead to for more problems. Thank you.
What roles should children play in the family?
Naturally, children should always recognize the fact that na with millions of souls in the spiritual realms waiting for opportunity to be given or present for them to reincarnate in this world. But it's because of the love that once shared between man and woman that necessitated the why they see that opportunity as spirit jams to reincarnate as unborn babies. Before you know it, we are born. So children should always remember that men has a big role to play in giving them opportunity to be here on earth. If not, that opportunity was presented, they will not be here. And I can tell you with amazing way that millions of souls are there begging for opportunity to be presented and given to them to be here on earth. Because in the spiritual realm, you are like a jam. You don't even know that you're unconscious. You don't even know you are existed. If I ask you where were you in the last 500 years, do you know? You don't even know. Because you're unconscious. So you should give thanks to parents, the fathers that made it possible for them to be here. Then again is that one thing people should know that even the Ten Commandments, it's only the fourth commandment that has clause that you should respect your parents so that your days will be long, that you will have the blessings. So it's only that to show you the importance of that father, the father figure, because this is only a good opportunity to earn on one. So you should remain submissive and obedient to your father so that you will have all the blessings and their days will be long. Thank you.
What advice would you give to children regarding their responsibilities in the family?
Yes, my advice to children is that every child that really want to succeed massively in life need the blessing of the father. Remember the story in the Bible. Let me cite Bible because some people that will say, "Oh, laying God and of you know that the story of Isaac and his wife Rebecca." When there was time for Isaac to pass on, the wife instructed the children to go and hustle. He told them to go and bring what he will eat in order to be happy. You don't know what that prepare something for the man, the Isaac, to be happy, so that you'll be able to pray with happiness. Simple encourages children to always look for something that will make their parents to be happy, to make their father to be happy. It means that it's not always let my father give me, let my father give me. That you are a child. You as a child have the obligation to give to your father so that he will be happy in order to bless you. And that is what the Rebecca seized that opportunity. Sometimes from people who are reading Bible, they don't see the meaning. But the actual meaning is you have to give. Yes, because give us never lack. Once you give, your father out of happiness will reciprocate by giving back multiple food. So that is exactly what he does. So Rebecca, being a woman, understand that the father, blessing of a father is paramount. And now encourages the children, the beloved child, yes, to go and prepare something nice to the father so that the blessing will be his. So I'm advising children to always seek for the blessing of the father. Let me tell you, blessing of the father can go a long way. I'm a living witness. When my late father was alive, I happen to be the favorite because I don't normally give issues. I'm a obedient child and everything. So we have this cordial, very close relationship. And I know, I told my son, I don't have whatever monetary to give you, but I pray for you to succeed in life. And believe in me, whenever I face any challenge, I run to even to my father's grave and pray. I do get instant this thing. So my advice is that if you are a child for any reason, you have any issue with your father, make now when the man is still alive, you go and listen. Look for something that he cherish most. Go there and pray and beg for him for his blessings. Very important. It will take you to a greater height. That was my advice. If the man have passed on, go to his grave. Use egg and go and watch my teaching concerning appeasement. Use egg, oil, salt, and the orgy. Go there for appeasement and beg him that you are truly sorry. That all those things was done when you are because you are adolescent and you don't understand how things work. But now you are knowledgeable that you are deeply sorry. Then I can tell you that that thing you did now can solve problem you are running from one pass to the other. Then if your father is still alive and they are one of those people that side with the mom and they treating the man as a trash, I will tell you to go back and be at peace with that man, because without that man blessings, it will be very difficult for you to succeed in life. All you can do is to see what happened in the that means calamities, that will cover you. And they will be very wise. You know how to answer that.
What general advice would you offer to women?
Yes, women, my advice is that if you are married, take that your husband as your Lord. Yes. Is you will not know the benefit of that man till at old age. Oge dija atọ ọbụ na ụwa mgbede. Oge ahụ o rugoro na ụmụ ndị nwoke oruo n'oge ha ga-anụ nwaanyị. O ruo na ndị a ga-eke di. Mgbe a ka ọ ga-agba ọnwụ na di ga-anọrọ. Efu nke tọrọ fada. Mgbe a ka eje ya nwanne di gị ma ọ bụ onye ụmụnna ka ọ bịa kwudo dịka nna. Mgbe ahụ ndị nwoke ji ikwu ijezi ikwu ndị nwoke tontego okorobịa eji kwasị okogu ma na cha n'ụzọ. Also, na ka gana atụ egwu that time. The father figure. Mgbagochi inu di, ya ga-ekpo ụmụnna ya kwudo. Ndị nne na nwaanyị ụmụnna ya eso. Mgbaazị di ga-anọrọzi. Nwaanyị onye ụmụnna anyị ejekwuzi ka ọ bịa kwudo dịka nna. Mgbe aka ya agwa nke ya afụ nketa ọfana, mgbe aka ya agwa ochie na ọfụnụ. Mgbe aka ya rotara gị na ịchọrọ ịbọ nge, ise gị ịbọ nge, adị nyere mgbe aka ihe ebe akwanụ, ọkwa maka ihe na ụdị m anọrọzi. Bịa jụọ ndị ụmụ nwaanyị jere ka agwa ihe a na-akpasị. So ọ bụrụ na ị nwere di na-ekele Chukwu na-ekele ya bụ di gị because na inide that di gị nwa inide that di gị ka o nyere gị aka wee zụọ ụmụazị as a father figure. Maka na ndị Igbo na-atụ ilu si na nwa nwaanyị zụrụ na-ata akwa. Enwere ihe nwoke na-akụnye, mana mgbe ịbazi bịa nwee nwoke a na o nwere ihe mgbe ụmụazị na nwoke a abụrụ ihe na-eta, ị ga-atakwa afọ na mgbe emechara. Mara mgbe o rejiere, mgbe ezugodoro ụmụaja na-agwa ha na nna ha dị useless, mgbe o rejiela ifu na ụmụazị ya nwoke ihe ha eji kwọrọ. So my advice is that respect your husband ka o wee bara uru. He who plays the piper dictate the tune. Di gị bụ the priest of the house. So ọ na imeta di ọfụma, believe in me, i worship di gị like your king, o respect ya ga no kwanyere ugwu dịka his queen.
What general advice would you offer to men?
Yes, my advice to men, whether single or married. If you are single, I will advise you, whenever you are choosing the right partner, don't be too emotional and consider so many things, and don't allow yourself to be led by infatuations. No. And remember, a woman does not love. A woman doesn't know how to love. To love is man. You understand? What you always look for that person that has that missing link, that thing that you don't have, that thing that your family does not have, that thing that you as individual you need in order to complement you. If you don't see anybody that has those qualities that will fill the vacuum and be a supporting role to you, forget it. Forget about physical beauty. Forget about sugar-coated tongue. Because you can jump on certain women that who always shout that I love you too much. You can be showing crocodile tears. And if you are too emotional, you fall for that tricks as if that she loves you so much. No. Or maybe he loves the pocket money you are giving. Maybe he likes you because you too emotional, giving too much attention to her. Some of those things might be one reason why she loves you, but genuinely, I can tell you, women can love for so many reasons. So find out that acclaimed love, what actually triggered it. So for me, I will ask you to look for somebody that has core value, that value that is that value that I always appreciate in your life, that value that will take you from point A to point B. That is what you should be living. So if you don't find now, whoever that you are going out with now doesn't have those qualities, forget about her. Forget about what she's saying. I love you, I love you. Some of them make you wake up there, say I love you. Women I love working for many reasons. When we go make attention in then of course all one day they married. I would advise you to always pay attention. Only when you go today. Don't be pay attention, especially traders. Ema na ndo Igbo ma ihe. Onye ọrụ Igbo nwere ihe na-akpọ pension and gratuity. A ga-akwụ onye a pension abụ ego ọ ga-eji na-egoro ọgwụ, ego ọ ga-eji weta ekike arọfụ onwe ya, pụta ata depending na ụmụ ya chiri obicha ndụ ntị ọdị. Mana ndị ọ na-aka ehi itiwo ndị traders. Traders, what are your plans? By the time you do 70, 80, 90, kedu ihe ị ga-afụ ọlọ? O nwere tenant house, o nwere shop, o nwere so many things gara enye gị ego ị ga-eme ka ị depend on ma igoro ọgwụ n'aka gị. Mana ọ bụrụ na esi ka ị were the last one ị nwere lee the last one ị nwere ebe ị kwesịrị ịrụnye shop maka ụwa mgbede gị, isi ka ị were je zụọ ofu nwa gị na ibasi asọkwa na ọ dịrọ mma ịtụcha ya ka nte yu na o nwere ike onye ya ezucha na ibasi banyere na uche gị bụ na ọgụcha akwụkwọ nweta ọlụ taa ọkwa eziokwu ọga ihe a wrong plan, maka o nwere ike ọgụcha bụ ihe rụtara gị PPA wee tụ gị. By the time ị ga na-aya ọfụzie kọlụ ọsị nwoke abịaka ịyọ mmadụ ego ya dana ego, o nwere ike nọtakwa nwaanyị dị njọ ma ọ n'obi nke ya ma ọ bụrụ onye adị eke ya, ị ga na-ebe akwa nderi because at that time ike agwụgwọ gị and the investment ị nwere ka ị nweta return maka ụwa mgbede gị is not forthcoming. Ọ ịtụrụ ihe ụfọdụ ụmụ nwoke ji ada ọya. So ihe nna achịkọwara gị ọ bụrụ na ị na-emere nwa ogwu ma ekwa nwa nọsi ike na-echetakwa ka ị gara itinye all your eggs in one basket because one basket ọ ihe a mere ọtụtụ ụmụ nwoke na-akwa akwa ndị eriri ụta and that time ike agwụgwa. So ihe na-achịkọwa, have plan for your future. Start now, you are still young. Ndị dịgoro old na-ebe akwa ya, I can tell you. So bitata plan of ihe ị ga-depend on as a trader, as onye ọrụ aka when the chips are down. Ọ ya bụ ya pension so that ka ị ghara ịdabe n'ike Chukwu ma ọ bụ n'ife anyị maka ha nwere ike ịwụ gị n'ala. Ụfọdụ nwere ike ịwụ si n'obi ha neglect ya gị so mma ha, ụfọdụ nwekwara ike si n'obi ha so nwaanyị ha nụtara by then ọ na-adasi efọkwa mgbe anyị bewa akwa ndị eri. So advice m na-ekwu owu ọgwụkwa nne nụta gị arụta mmadụ ihe ị ga-eme. Ihe dị mkpa wụ try ya ka ị na-enye nwa obi aṅụrị maka ịnwụ gaghị aga. Daalụ.
Thank you so much, sir.
Yeah.
Viewers all over the world, we have come to an end on today's edition of Philosophy and Life. If you have any question based on today's teaching, you can drop it on the comment section or DM Eze-Ana with the WhatsApp number showing on your screen. For more inquiries, deep consultation, AFA, you can as well DM him with that same number. It's nice having you here today.
Thank you, Mr. Moderator.
Thanks for your time. Before we go, any advice for our viewers?
Viewers all over the world, as I've seen our administration and messages, please keep sharing it. Kachukwu because